What is up, guys? It is Tool Guy Y here, and today we'll be walking you through a 2007 Mazda Mx5 oil change. Let's get into it. Alright guys, let's start the repair by opening the hood. The hood release is found right here. Once the hood's open, remove the oil cap and put it on the side so it's out of your way. Next, we'll remove the oil drain plug from the oil pan. The oil pan is located to the front and not in the rear. Keep in mind that the trans pan is going to be in the rear and the oil pan is going to be in the front. Using a 17mm socket on a ratchet, loosen the drain plug. Once it's loosened by the ratchet, remove the oil drain plug by hand, then throw a catch can underneath and drain all the oil out. Let it drain for a couple minutes so all the oil can drain out. For this video, we'll be using the STP filter from AutoZone part number S3614. Once all the oil is drained, reinstall the oil drain plug by hand first to prevent cross-threading. Then tighten down the 17mm socket on a ratchet till it's snug. Take a can of brake clean and spray down all that oil residue to ensure that we don't mistake it as an oil leak. Next, find and locate the oil filter, which is located here to the left side of the engine. In this video, we'll be using a claw type remover to remove the oil filter. Use the claw filter remover to loosen the oil filter. Once it's loosened, remove the oil filter by hand and let all the oil drain out into your catch pan. Using the old oil that came out, lube up the new oil filter O-ring to ensure that it doesn't snap when going in. Using a microfiber towel cloth or a paper towel, clean off the mating surface on the oil filter housing where it meets the oil filter. Take your freshly lubed oil filter and tighten it down by hand first to prevent cross-threading, then tighten it down by hand till it's snug. Yet again, take another can of brake clean and spray down all that oil residue to make sure that we don't mistake it later for an oil leak. Next, lower the car and install a funnel where your oil cap was removed. In this video, I'll be using the Lyle Corporation multi-purpose app funnel. Next, take your 4.5 quarts of 5W20 oil and fill it up through the funnel. Last couple steps, guys, so bear with me. Remove the funnel, then reinstall the oil fill cap, and you guys are done. Congratulations, guys, you now know how to do an oil change on a 2007 Mazda Mx5. If you liked or found this video informative, please support me by smashing that like button and subscribing to my channel for more how-to and tour review videos. Also, check me out on Instagram at ToolGuyY where I post daily. Thank you guys again for watching, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Shoots!